Want more bookings without spending on ads? Develop B&B partnerships with local businesses. In this episode, I'll share how to build win-win relationships that fill your rooms. And hey, before we jump in, give that subscribe button a nice little tap. And if you never want to miss a future episode, ring the bell if you have one. We drop fresh tips for savvy innkeepers every week. Now let me ask you something. Ever feel like your B&B is a beautiful island, but guests aren't rowing their boats over there? You're not alone. Many B&B owners, especially in quieter or seasonal areas, struggle to keep booking steady year-round. But what if I told you that some of the best marketing and guest experience strategies are waiting right outside your front door? Today's episode is all about partnering with local businesses and how to do it without awkward emails, empty promises, or feeling like you're speed dating at the Chamber of Commerce. Stick around to the end. I've got a cracker of a tip that might just triple your midweek bookings. Why partnerships beat discounts? Most owners default to discounts when bookings slip. But what if I asked one coaching client, you could fill a room at a full price by adding value instead of shaving pounds off? Cue that light bulb moment. That's what local business partnerships do. They add value. You're no longer just a place to sleep. You're part of a curated experience. Here's the goal. Create win-win partnerships that give your guests something new or exclusive. Help your neighbors bring in business. Get both of you seen by a new audience. Now let's break it down step by step. And before I do that, do you want more tips like this? Check out the Beds, Breakfast, and Business podcast. It's your weekly brew of practical hospitality advice, and you can find the link in the show notes. Step 1. Map what's around you. Start with a walk, literally. Pop into a cafe down the street. Browse that antique shop guests keep mentioning. Note any new events, tours, or classes happening in your area. What's the number one business your guests already ask about? That is your starting point. And here's a quick usable tip. Create a local love list, 5 to 7 nearby spots that offer something memorable. Think the bakery with the sourdough that sells out by 10, not that generic souvenir shop. Step 2. Make the first move without sounding salesy. Nervous about reaching out? Here's a script you can steal. Hi, I run the B&B just around the corner. Guests keep raving about your place, and I wonder if we could chat about how we might support each other. I've got a few fun ideas. Keep it light. You're not pitching Dragon's Den. Pro tip: don't ask for a discount for your guests straight away. Offer your help first. For example, invite them to leave flyers at your B&B or be featured in your guest welcome book. Step 3. Create an experience bundle. This one's magic. Instead of telling guests where to go, give them a reason to go. Stay and picnic package. 1 night stay plus a pre-packaged lunch from the cafe across the road. Art and sleep. B&B guests get a mini studio tour at the gallery next door. Sip and sleep. Local wine bar plus discounted tasting when they book 2 nights. These bundles aren't hard to set up. A simple email, a handshake, or even a WhatsApp chat will do. Step 4. Promote it promptly. Your new partner deal won't help if no one hears about it. Here are some quick wins to promote it. Add it to your booking confirmation email. Post it on Instagram. Tag the local business. Feature in your in-room information booklet. Include a voucher or handwritten note on arrival. And tell the partner to do the same. It's a win-win. Usable tip: create a 4-line description of the partnership that can be copy and pasted by either of you into emails or social posts. Step 5. Review, refine, repeat. Not all partnerships will work, and that's okay. What's more awkward than a first bad date? A stale business partnership that limps along out of guilt. Set up a 3-month review. Check in. Did bookings increase? Did guests mention it in reviews? Was it easy to coordinate? If it's not working, tweak it or let it go. No hard feelings. Want more help with this kind of business strategy? It's all covered in Module 3 of the Build Your B&B from Dream to Doors Open course, which is basically your hospitality MBA without the tuition bill. And that final tip I promised? If you want your midweek bookings to spike, partner with a local yoga teacher, writing coach, or retreat facilitator. Let them host small midweek workshops in your breakfast room or garden. You'll get bookings, they get the space, and your guests will get the experience. Boom! That's a triple win. What local businesses near your B&B would you love to partner with? Let me know in the comments. Here are your key takeaways. Start with businesses guests already love. Make it about them, not just you. Build small, low-effort packages. Promote in both directions. Review regularly and let go if needed. Partnering with local businesses isn't about corporate handshakes. It's about community. You support your neighbors, they send guests your way, and together you create the kind of stays that make people say, "This place is special." Need help setting all this up? Our Build Your B&B from Dream to Doors Open course walks you through building local networks, marketing, and guest experiences from scratch. Visit the Beds, Breakfast, and Business website blog for more tips. And while you're there, check out the What Makes Your B&B Unique, Your Signature Experience, episode 36. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. And hey, if today's tips helped, feel free to buy us a coffee.